So we're continuing here. We're going back. We're going to continue. Parakeets. Those are parakeets up there making that sweet sound. So we're going to keep going around and see all of this right now before it gets dark. And then you'll see it all in the darkness, and the children are having fun. Just chilling here. People always come here to chill out. They just relax and enjoy everything. And they got that supermarket here. If you want to look for a place to stay in this area, which is very mellow, just look on Airbnb for Parque La Floresta, or this area around here with the Consumo and the church over there, La Inmaculada Church, the Immaculate Church. And let's see if the travelers are here, because usually they're camped out over there, some travelers from around other countries. And if you saw my video last time about Parque La Floresta, a special type of dry port for foreign travelers by car, then you'll see that I was talking to some guys here, but the guys are gone because their vehicles were here from Argentina, so they're gone already. But I'm going to check out to see if there are any other foreigners. And look at all this. This is going to be lit up in a little while. It's going to be very nice. So we're just checking it out. This wasn't here before, but this is here now. And well, there's one car here, one vehicle that seems to be from somewhere else. So let's see where it is. From California, El Cajon. Wow, look at this. And these are the bumper stickers, these stickers that people use. And I'm gonna see if they take one of mine, which is like this. This is from California. Nice. And look, and I'm gonna see if they take this one. Wow, look at that. All of this, super cool. Wow. Buenas, ¿cómo le va? Bien. Are you from California?
Mexico.
Mexico. Oh, okay, because I saw the California license plates.
Del carro.
Del carro. But this is your car. ¿Este es su carro?
Sí.
Ah, okay, cool, excellent. ¿Cómo es su nombre?
Juan.
Juan. Do you speak English?
Mejor español. ¿Tú hablas español?
Yeah, I speak Spanish. Si quiere, yo estoy haciendo un video porque soy un YouTuber haciendo cosas, y soy de Estados Unidos. Y también mi familia es de aquí, pero yo vivo aquí hace unos años ya, pero soy de Estados Unidos. Juan.
Juan, sí.
Qué bien, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Juan, si lo puedo entrevistar y yo después decir lo que usted dice en inglés, ¿te parece?
Si quieres,
Sí,
sí.
sí. ¿Hace cuánto está aquí en Colombia?
Hace casi un año, pero por la pandemia.
For the pandemia. So Juan has been here for almost a year, but because of the pandemic. ¿Y cómo le ha parecido Colombia?
Bien.
Buenísimo.
Perfecto, sí.
Ah.
Sí, todo bien. El país es lindo, la gente es buena. Y pues para pasar la pandemia yo creo que fue mejor estar aquí que en otro lado.
Okay, cool. He says that the country is awesome. It's very nice. There are very nice people here and all of that, and that this was a good country to be passing the pandemic through, because in another country maybe not that good, but he likes it here. ¿Qué piensa de la gente de Colombia?
Pues son muy amables, al menos aquí en Medellín es muy amable la gente, muy amable y muy atenta, digamos. Siempre que me preguntan si hace falta algo, si estamos bien, si ofrecen cosas.
Ah, excelente.
Muy amable.
Medellín. Oh, he's saying that people are very nice here, very kind, especially here in Medellín, that they're always asking him if he needs something, if they can help him out with something, so he feels very welcomed here in Medellín, especially here in Medellín. And ¿y viniste solo o viniste con otra gente?
Como mi chica.
Otra chica.
Ajá, ahora viene, anda por ahí.
Excelente. He says, I asked him if he came alone or with some other people, and he came here with his girl, so she's somewhere around here. Excelente. ¿Y de qué parte de México eres?
Del Estado de México.
Del Estado de México.
De la ciudad.
Cerca de la Ciudad de México. Okay, I asked him where is he from. He said he's from the state of Mexico, near Mexico DF, near Mexico City. Qué bien. ¿Y hace cuánto lleva tiempo viajando en el carro?
Llevamos 3 años en el carro. En México fueron como 6 meses, y luego 3 en Guatemala, El Salvador, Nicaragua,
Sí.
3 en Costa Rica, 6 en Panamá.
Tú vas bajando así, bajando. Oh wow, he's been traveling for 3 years, 6 months in Mexico, then Nicaragua, Guatemala, Honduras no, o sí, Honduras, Costa Rica,
Salvador,
Salvador y Panamá,
y después ya Colombia.
ya Colombia. Y cuando se levanten las restricciones, ¿quiere devolverse para arriba o quiere seguir para abajo?
Para abajo,
Para abajo.
Ecuador y seguir
¿Y seguir hasta dónde?
la Tierra de Fuego, si se puede.
Tierra del Fuego en Chile, ¿no? ¿O en Argentina?
En Argentina.
En Argentina, yo me confundo a veces.
Tiene parte de las dos, se supone, pero creo que la punta es más de Argentina que de Chile.
Ah, qué bien. So Juan is saying that after the border restrictions are lifted, because he's been here for a year, because of the travel restrictions for the border crossings by car, after the borders restrictions are lifted, he's going to go down towards Ecuador, down Bolivia, all the way down to Argentina and Chile, and hopefully Tierra del Fuego. It's a very nice place. Ah, qué bien, Juan. Excelente. Muy bien. ¿Y qué tips o recomendaciones les da a los viajeros que viajan en carro o mochileros?
Híjole, no, pues no sé, que nunca paren. Que si eso es lo que les gusta, conocer el mundo, gente, lugares, pues que sigan, ¿no? Que sigan. Al cabo solo tenemos esta vida igual. Aprovechemos.
Very nice. Muy bien. I asked Juan what kind of tips or recommendations will he give or would he give to travelers by car or by caravan or backpackers, and he just says keep going. If this is what you love doing, just keep going. Don't turn back, don't stop. Do what you feel compassionate and passionate about. All right, thanks. Muchas gracias, Juan.
Gracias a ti.
Excelente.